Well, good day, everybody. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. This arrived in the mail for me yesterday, and this is from Bill, Old64Goat up in Connecticut, and he got some things in trade, and this was one of the things that he didn't need, which will be a big help for me. So I offered to pay the postage. I'd have been glad to pay him for something for this too, but he's just wanted postage. So this came in the mail yesterday. We're going to do a quick unboxing and see what we got. I'm going to set you up on the tripod, and then we'll open the box up. We did a nice job of putting in some packing material here. This thing's not going to move around. Let's get rid of the box here. There we go. Electrotech frequency counter. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of space here. And this is something that I lack right now, so okay. This is going to be a big help to me. So let's just give it a little test here. Okay, so I got this Heathkit RF generator that I bought at an auction, IG102, and up to this point I've had no way of knowing if it actually works. I've used it in a couple alignments, but I don't know if it's correct or not. So I've got this set to 455 kilocycles. Or kilohertz. So let's just give this a try here. And it's not bad. That's reading, let me check here real quick. Yep, I'm running on 455. That's not bad. I hope you can see that. Let's see if I can. It's reading 463. So, you know, this is going to be a help to me for sure. I have another one of these. This it was a 2-lot, and the other one is not in working order. And I can certainly. This is going to be helpful in trying to bring that one back to life and calibrate it. And this one might need a little calibration as well. So for me, I really appreciate it. You see, I don't have a big space here, but definitely this can fit in. And maybe someday I'll buy a, great big fancy thing with lots of knobs and fancier display. But for now, just for the price of shipping, I couldn't be happier for that. So a big thumbs up and a thank you to Bill, Old64Goat. And we'll see you guys here soon with another project. Just as an FYI, to let you know that the next thing up that I'm going to work on is this. This is the Philco flying wedge, which probably every collector's seen one of these or more during their time. But I'm going to work on that next, and I'm waiting for a new back to come in, and that's the only other piece I'm missing, and then I'm going to get started on it. So this is timely because these guys right here will help me align this guy when the time comes. So thank you, and we'll see you soon.